the Philippines are. So, sir, gusto ko lang malaman what makes you kept on saying na affordable, unique, sustainable, pero medyo vague kasi sa amin. How affordable are we talking about?
We're known to be flexible. So we look at other factors aside from, computing the premium. We also want to try to negotiate with our partners, like our providers, the hospitals, doctors, clinics, and we negotiate for good price. So that's why we're able to come up with premium that is more affordable. And yeah, that's the direct impact of having an affordable premium. And also, using our data analytics, etc., and actuarial expertise, we're able to be quite flexible. Depends really on the needs and wants of our members, of our clients. So we can design several alternative designs, plan design. So that's actually one of the things that we differentiate us from the rest of the competition. And very, very quick because of our expertise. And all our actions are backed by data. Sorry, medyo technical.
Pero sir, gusto namin malaman yung pricing.
Yeah, yung pricing, meron kaming affordable na prepaid, and this can be purchased through our digital platform. So yun, mass marketed yun as low as 500 pesos, 1,000, 1,007, 2,004. So we have 39 SKUs or variants that's available in our website. Yeah, you can purchase that online, so very efficient.
Pati sa Shopee and Lazada.
Yes, nasa Shopee and Lazada. Well, that's aside from the traditional SMO coverage for employees and dependents. And we also cater to freelancers, like the press. Pwede na. Yeah, so nag-promote na. Andyan yung mga sales.
Yeah, maglabasan na. Pakinote yung mga naghahanap dito.
Okay, last question for Jeline.